So we got this new cool job. It's a pondless, a big boulder series. So stay tuned. You're gonna like this one. Something else popped up. I don't know what's on my way. I need to put some diesel to the excavator because that random small guy can't put it. It's empty.
Okay, always something. Do you have
There's
it?
always something.
Do you have a tank with you in the trucks? Just that one.
Let me put some fuel in the excavator and I'll see you at the job.
Welcome to Hiner Outdoor Living. We're a team of yardists taking boring, cookie-cutter yards and transforming them into one-of-a-kind backyard retreats. Join us as we bring quality, passion, and fun to yards all across the Colorado Front Range, inspiring life outside.
Good morning, guys. This is Omar with Hiner Outdoor Living. A beautiful day, a spring day. Let's take advantage of it. The sun is shining. We have a beautiful property here. A lot of trees. What else can we ask? The only thing we're missing is water feature right here. And that's exactly what we want to do. That's exactly what we want to work on. So it's going to be a 25-foot pondless. Reservoir is going to be located around here. We're going to work our way up here in this section. We're probably going to have to build a retention in the back in order to create this elevation over here, so we can have all this waterfall facing the entrance of the house. So it's going to look incredible. We're using some big, beautiful black granite boulders. Love working with those boulders. They're heavy, they're dense, but when they put together the right way, they look amazing. So we're gonna start working on it. We're just working right now and mobilization, you know, all those logistics that it takes you a little bit before you start this project, but we're gonna show you from the beginning to the end of this magnificent water feature we created right here. So stay tuned. So we are left with this pile of grass in here. I don't think we're gonna be using this because it's grass and this will definitely settle over time. So we're gonna take this out of here and we're gonna bring some good soil. Besides, we're gonna get a bunch of it out of this reservoir. It isn't gonna be quite enough, so we're gonna have to bring some more to the side. We need to get rid of this grass first, and then we'll start digging. You have two look really good.
Two would look
Really good coming out of here. Not too far behind. You can shorten it.
Yeah.
Instead of 26, you can do 20.
Yep.
And have this one short and this one
Longer. And that's what I'm trying to convey.
yeah, but if only they have the budget.
Yeah, we'll see.
And then we're gonna have to do double this up.
Not quite double, but make it a third bigger. To end that view.
I mean, if you're gonna go that big, that long, I think
I mean, it's 26 foot.
it's just enough for the space.
So,
I need to pull out of here because obviously that's important.
yeah, well, yeah, that's why we need to wait to see, because if you're adding this, then you're adding 4 to 8 more auger blocks. Sorry to make things complicated for you.
Kai, we don't have answers for you right now.
No, we're waiting on answers. We'll get them. We'll get them soon.
The next day.
Hold on. Okay. Nice. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are in the back of this water feature here. What we are going to do right now is to create this retention here so we can have the drop facing that way. So we're gonna do like a more like a natural retention. We're gonna put some boulders in here so we can create that height. That's what we're working on right now. That's why we have this little bit of mess, but we're gonna have this retaining wall coming all the way here. It's gonna probably go all the way here, and it's also going to continue to go this way all around there, because we want to have 2 streams, one coming out of somewhere over here and the other one is going to come out of that section over here. So both are going to kind of meet up in the middle and then create one single stream that is going to take you to our water basin. It's located right there. So we're going to get to this, and I will see you in a little bit.